In this video, we're going to show you how to fix the issue with the rebooting of the Porsche PCM 3.1, which is for the models 2010 through 2016. The symptom is the unit keeps rebooting like every 3 to 4 minutes, and then it stops working and it shuts down, and then the Porsche logo comes back up, and it keeps doing it all the time. One of the problem can be fixed just by resetting the whole drive unit. We show you all the steps that you need to do when the unit is installed in the car or on the bench. We already have the unit out of the car, so we show you all the steps that you need to do to reset it, so it will take care of this rebooting issue. The first step, you push and hold the info button for like about 10 seconds. And as you can see, the unit is reboots and the Porsche logo comes back on, and then it will go to a different mode. We are just waiting to finish. And in this mode, you push the car button, and then you push option button, and then you touch on the screen set PCM system, and then you touch reset PCM, and then you touch vehicle handover, and then you acknowledge yes, and then you acknowledge yes again. And in this step, unit it will initialize, and then it will reset itself. In some cases, it might change the language. If it does, then you need to change the language back to US, and if it doesn't, you can just leave it alone. In this step, as you can see, it went to the German language, so we are gonna change the language back to US. Even if you don't understand the wording, you can just follow the steps, and it will change the language back to English. You push the car button, and then you push option button, and then you touch set PCM system, and then you touch again scratch PCM, and then you touch English US, and then you push tuner, right? And as you can see, it changed back to English language. And if you have any issues besides this resetting, you can contact us at 818-785-8085 in Van Nuys, California, so we can do the repair if you have any other issue besides this resetting. Thank you. Bye.